This screencast provides insight into how to read the generalized compressibility factor charts. The compressibility charts are an important tool in analyzing non-ideal gas behavior. The charts are based on the theory of corresponding states. In this theory, the values of certain physical properties of a gas depend to a great extent on the proximity of the gas to its critical temperature and pressure. Compressibility factors will collapse onto a master curve when plotted against reduced temperature and reduced pressure. The plot in the dynamic simulation shows the compressibility factor Z as a function of the reduced pressure PR. There are families of curves corresponding to different reduced temperatures. As the cursor is moved, it tracks three parameters: Z, PR, and TR. If the critical temperature and critical pressure for a gas are known, the reduced temperature and pressure can be readily calculated based on the actual temperature and pressure for a given problem. By using the compressibility factor plot, the dimensionless compressibility factor Z can be obtained. Z could then be used to solve for the specific volume of the gas at these conditions. If the specific volume is known but the pressure or temperature are not known, the reduced ideal volume VR ideal can be used to avoid the use of trial and error. The dynamic simulation allows you to investigate the relationship between Z, PR, and TR for 5 different gases. The general shape of the curves is similar, as should be expected based on the theory of corresponding states. Using K's rule, the compressibility factor charts can also be used for gas mixtures, extending the applicability of this tool. You should be comfortable using the compressibility charts to solve various problems for non-ideal gases. These charts are a powerful tool that extends the predictive power of the ideal gas law, complementing more complicated equations of state. Chemical engineers often have to analyze situations in which the ideal gas law is not valid, and the use of compressibility charts is one tool in their toolbox to solve these problems.